Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a folder in Python, a step-by-step tutorial. In Python, creating a folder/directory is a common task, especially when dealing with file management or organizing project structures. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a folder using Python, providing a simple code example. Step 1. Import the OS module. The OS module in Python provides a way to interact with the operating system, including file and directory operations. To create a folder, we need to import this module. Step 2. Specify the folder path. Decide where you want to create the folder and specify its path. You can use an absolute path or a relative path. In this example, we'll use a relative path. Step 3. Check if the folder already exists. Before creating the folder, it's a good practice to check if it already exists to avoid overwriting or causing errors. You can use the os.path.exists function for this purpose. Step 4. Create the folder. If the folder doesn't exist, you can create it using the os.makeDirs function. This function creates all the intermediate directories in the specified path if they don't already exist. Putting it all together. Here's the complete code. How to run the code. This simple tutorial demonstrates the basics of creating a folder in Python using the OS module. Feel free to adapt the code to suit your specific needs and integrate it into your projects. ChatGPT.